Hello guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts, our most excellent series Zero to Hero, Python coding on Jetson Nano. We are in lesson number 56 and I am going to show you range of indexing. Right now, in the previous lesson, I showed you how to select a specific range from the list which you created in your previous lesson, right? Now I am going to show you in this particular lesson, I am going to show you how to create a negative index, how you can go back and forth and stuff like that. So basically specifying a negative index, if you want to start from the scratch or from the search options from the end of the list, right? You can it's like searching for some kind of data from the entire list. How do you do that? Well, there we go. I am going to show you how to do that. I am going to log in to my Jetson Nano. I'm already logged in. I hope you can see my screen. There you go. Let's open our existing file. What was the file name? List, right? Yeah. Nano list.py. Alright, let me delete this program and create a new one. Let's say this list again equals to what bracket? Curly bracket or a round bracket? No, it's a square bracket. You are creating an object, right? Square bracket, and then with a double quote and man double quote open and close, and then separate with a comma. Let's see, Dr. Strange, and then double quote open, Captain America, and then let's say Hulk, okay, and then let's say Tom, okay, say Jerry. I'm just randomly creating, guys. You guys can create whichever name you want. And then Thanos. Oops, again syntax mistake, guys. Double quote Thanos, and then say a robot. Okay. Alright, I am going to close this bracket, a square bracket. Now let's print this list, and what you're going to print with a square bracket, let's say negative index. So what does that mean? Minus. Now you can select which range to which range you want. So I'm going to randomly select how many names we gave. I think 6, 7 or something, right? Alright, 4 is to, that is double colon, okay, 2 dots, guys, remember this, and minus 1. I am going negative. Alright, now let me close this with a square bracket and then close with a round bracket. Okay, now let's see what happens. Now let's say Control O, enter, Control X. Let's access the Python file, python3 list.py. Tom, Jerry, Thanos. Can you see that out of that 6 and 7, or I think 7 or 8 names I created, I don't remember, we can select any kind of negative range. I had given, I think, -4 is to -1. So that's how it works, guys. So I hope you are clear how this negative index works in a range from a list, how you can take that fetch particular data from a particular memory location in your Jetson Nano, and you can show that in your Python IDE. This is going to be really helpful in the future lessons, guys. So keep watching. Alright guys, that's it for now for this lesson, and I'm going to be back soon. Thank you. Bye bye.